Hunza Valley, located in the Gilgit Baltistan region of Pakistan, is a breathtakingly beautiful destination known for its natural scenery, rich cultural heritage, and unique history. Here are some key facts and attractions about Hunza Valley. Geography and climate location. Hunza Valley is situated in the Gilgit Baltistan region, about 100 kilometers, 62 miles, north of Gilgit. Elevation. The valley's elevation ranges from 2,400 to 6,000 meters, 7,874 to 19,685 feet, above sea level. Climate. Hunza has a continental climate, with cold winters and mild summers. Attractions and landmarks. Baltit Fort, a 700-year-old fort and former residence of the Mir of Hunza, now converted into a museum. 2. Altit Fort, a 900-year-old fort and one of the oldest monuments in Hunza. Hunza River, a tributary of the Indus River, offering stunning views and rafting opportunities. Raka Poshi, yet this is located in Nagar. A beautiful view from Hunza, a 7,788 meter, 25,551 foot, high mountain, offering breathtaking views and trekking opportunities. Atabad Lake, a turquoise-colored lake formed in 2010 due to a landslide, offering boating and fishing opportunities. Ganesh Watch, a viewpoint offering panoramic views of the valley and surrounding mountains. Hunza Valley Viewpoint, a viewpoint offering stunning views of the valley and surrounding mountains. Culture and history. Ismaili Muslims. The majority of the population in Hunza follows Ismaili Islam. Burushaski language, the local language spoken in Hunza, which is distinct from other languages spoken in the region. Hunza State. Hunza was an independent state until 1974, when it was merged with Pakistan. Agriculture. Hunza is known for its fruit production, including apricots, cherries, and grapes. Tourism and infrastructure. Karimabad, the main town in Hunza, offering various accommodations, restaurants, and shops. Tourist facilities. Hunza has a range of tourist facilities, including hotels, guest houses, and camping sites. Transportation. Hunza is accessible by road via the Karakoram Highway, KKH, and by air via Gilgit Airport. Interesting facts. Longevity. Hunza is known for the longevity of its people, with many living up to 100 years or more. Organic food. Hunza is famous for its organic food, including fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Cultural heritage. Hunza has a rich cultural heritage, with a unique blend of Islamic and Buddhist influences. Overall, Hunza Valley is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in natural beauty, cultural heritage, and unique history.